In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the most merciful. I am Professor Ameer. I'm alright and I hope that you'll also be doing well. Today I am going to teach you lesson 3 of active and passive voice. Before this we learned the passive voice of 6 tenses up to past perfect tense according to the sequence that I taught you in the previous lectures, previous videos. Now look at these tenses. Number 7, present perfect continuous tense. This is not possible to convert into passive voice. It is impossible. Number 8, past perfect continuous tense. This is also impossible to convert into passive voice. At number 9, future indefinite tense. Look at the formula of active voice. Subject plus shall will plus V1 plus object. Shall will are the helping verbs of future tense. Okay, then first form of the verb. Okay, look at the formula of passive voice. Object plus shall will plus be plus V4 plus subject into objective case. Now here we have to add be and the fourth form of the verb. Okay, mostly in all the continuous tenses. In all the continuous tenses, fourth form of the verb is used. First form of the verb plus ing. Look at this sentence. He will give a treat to his friends. This is active voice. Passive voice is his friends is object. We have to keep this first. His friends will be given a treat by him. So here we have kept indirect object in the first place. Okay, and there's no to word in anywhere in this sentence. But in the second option, a treat will be given to his friends by him. We have used a treat, that is, in the first place we have used treat, that is the direct object. And now look, when we used direct object, then we used to in this sentence. She will drive her brother's car. Her brother's car is the object here. Her brother's car will be driven by her. They will show us their new house. We will be shown their new house by them. Or the new house will be shown to us by them. So in the first sentence we have kept indirect object first. Okay, we will be shown. And in the second one we have kept direct object first, the new house. Okay, so there's two in this sentence. Okay, I will change the order of my activities. The order of my activities is the object here. So we have to keep this first. The order of my activities will be changed. So this is changed by me. Will be changed by me. This is passive voice. PV. Okay. Okay, so then negative sentences. I will not change the order of my activities. This is active voice. The order of my activities will not be changed by me. She will not drive her brother's car. Her brother's car will not be driven by her. This is passive voice. Interrogative sentences. Will I change the order of my activities? Will the order of my activities be changed by me? Okay. Will she drive her brother's car? Will her brother's car be driven by her? So in questions we have to keep the helping verb in the first place before all these things. Okay, so before the object. Number 10, future continuous tense. This future continuous tense is not possible to convert into passive voice. Impossible to convert into passive voice. Number 11, there is a future perfect tense. Okay, I will have written a story. So in future perfect, there's already third form of the verb that we use in passive voice. Okay, so then there is already have that we use mostly for perfect tense, but it is perfect and we just have to add another helping verb, that is been. Okay, been. So a story will have been written by me. This is the passive voice. We have used been here. and this is and by preposition, and have is the same, written is the same. So a story will have been written by me. He will have watched all the videos. Now all the videos is the object. All the videos will have been watched by him. She will have applied for the job. She will have applied for the job. The job is the object. The job will have been applied for by her. So when there comes some preposition with a verb, then the preposition remains at the same place, okay, as this one. Now see here. Okay, then they will have completed their work. Their work will have been completed by them. We will have bought a new house by the next year. A new house will have been bought by us the next year. Negative sentences. He will not have bought a new house. A new house is object here. A new house will not have been bought by him. Passive voice. He will not have been given that book. Now see. We will not give him that book. We will not have given him. We will not have given him that book. That book. Suppose. Then this is the active voice. AV. Okay. He will not have been given that book by us. We can add here. Okay. We can add here by us. By us. Okay. Then they will surely not have supported you. You will surely not have been supported by them. Supported by them. You will surely not have been supported by them. This is a passive voice. You will not have constructed their house. Their house is the object here. Their house will not have been constructed by you. Interrogative sentences. Will you have grown vegetables? Will vegetables have been grown by you? So here we have to use the helping verb first. Only the future helping verb. Will or shall. Okay. So mostly today will is used. Will they have supported you? Will you have been supported by them? Number 12. Future perfect continuous tense. This tense is not possible to convert into passive voice. Impossible. Then passive voice of imperative sentences. Open the books. When somebody says open the books, let the books be opened. Or suppose in a way we can say you are ordered to open the book. Suppose if we say, if there is please, then we can say you are requested to open the book. It is another way of passive voice. When we just convert the verb of order or request or advice into passive voice. But here, suppose we have used this late as introductory subject, and then we have, suppose this was object but now subject, introductory subject. Okay, this is because there's no object. Open the books. So the people being addressed here are not there. Okay, so it is understood that there is somebody. Okay, but maybe there's somebody. There should be late then. Okay, there's no you open the book or somebody open the book. Then there should be this introductory subject. Let the books be opened by somebody, by you. Okay, so let the books be opened. This is passive voice. It's not necessary to even write by you. Okay, if you write, it's okay. Shut the door. Let the door be shut. Okay, this is clear. Okay, then by you can add people or they say. People say, they say. Passive voice is it is said. It is said by the people. by them. Okay, when we say it is said that man is mortal, it is said that the people who commit crimes, they are arrested, they are punished. Okay, it is said. People believe, it is believed. And we add something like this: it is believed that, it is believed that mostly the honest people are respected. Okay, passive part and infinitive. When we use some passive part and then infinitive we use. Okay, suppose you are ordered to move from here, you are ordered to do something else, like this. You are requested to submit your documents, you are advised to take care of your health, you are directed to conduct a meeting. So like this, I think now you have learned many sentences in passive voice, and they will be I hope that they will be helpful to you. If you find this useful and helpful, if you like this, you must subscribe. Okay, then thank you very much. See you in the next video. Today I have completed the passive voice with this 3 lessons. Only 3 lessons are of passive voice, and you can go through, you can watch the videos of tenses also. There are only 5 videos of tenses. Okay, introductory video, then the 4 lessons. In passive voice there are 3 lessons. If you go through all these lessons, suppose if you watch those videos, I'm confident to say that you won't need any other help to learn passive voice or tenses. So, and now the modal verbs, passive voice of the modal verbs. I can write a story. A story can be written by me. So when there are modal verbs like can, could, may, might, should, ought to, we just have to use be as additional verb and third form of the verb. Okay, a story can be written by me. I can write a story can be written by me. And then he could play cricket, cricket could be played by him. You may start your speech now, your speech may be started now. Okay, then they must obey the laws must be obeyed by them. We should respect the elders should be respected by us. People ought to respect others ought to be respected by people. Okay, so if there's any perfect tense, then we have to use have and been. For example, suppose they must have respected, they must have respected the elders. They must have respected the elders. Okay, so this is like this. This is active voice, AV. Okay, then the elders must have been respected by them. This is passive voice. Okay, so you have to convert these modal verbs in this way. When there's have, then there should be added been. If there's no such a perfect helping verb, then just be, may be, can be, must be, and the third form of the verb. Okay, then by preposition and then subject into objective case. They are very easy. Okay, so I have to tell more about these modal verbs in the lesson, that is especially for modal verbs. Okay, so you will learn how these modal verbs give meanings. Okay, what sort of and what modes of meanings those are. Okay, so see you in the next video. Thank you very much.